Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll pretty much just be showing you my Nadula hair and showing you how it looked before I dyed it, after I dyed it, which is now. I'll show you the process on how I dyed it, the steps. Pretty simple, pretty easy with some $3 box dye or $2.50 actually, just thinking about it. So basically showing you how I got my hair from 1B to this nice soft Hey loves, so I have the wig curled up. So I showed you how I dyed it, I showed you how it looked before I dyed it, and voila. So right now I'm just about to take these pink curls down. Okay honey, and period. I really feel like these gonna come out real nice. If they don't, then we'll just try again tomorrow. Shoot. But the hair's from Nadula Hair. They sent me a 20-inch body wave wig. And it was just a lace front wig, by the way. Nothing too special or too out of the ordinary. And I just dyed it jet black with like $3 box dye and straightened it, and the box dye works extremely well. So yeah, let me just go ahead and comb through my curls. It shouldn't even take that long anyway. So boom. Well, oh wow, I had a clip in. While I have this other battery charging, I'm definitely gonna take pictures. Sorry guys, my camera keeps dying, so let's just get into this. So I completely combed up my curls out and they're so gorgeous. I definitely did go back in with my curling iron just to ensure that my front pieces were nice and flat and it just flowed into everything, which it definitely does. So this is Nadula's 20-inch lace front wig. This is what it looks like. I just love the fact that I colored it jet black because jet black curls are the most elegant, sexy curls you will ever like create, period. That's just how I feel. And some red curls too, but for the most part I just love me some jet black hair, and this hair took the dye pretty well. It's been holding up real good. So I did straighten this hair, straightened like a beast, curled beautifully, as you can tell. Not tooting my own horn or anything, but I just think my hair looks really nice right now. So thank you so much Nadula Hair for sending me this wig, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So stay tuned for the review video and I'll let you know everything on how this hair held up, and yeah, I'll see you lovely ladies in the next one.